Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can enable iMessage in your iPhone. So guys, if you don't know how to enable iMessage in your iPhone, then this video is for you. So guys, through iMessage, you can just text people and use iMessage as a normal texting app like any other social media texting app like Messenger or WhatsApp like this. So guys, in order to do that, just go ahead and open settings first. And once you've done that, just scroll down till you find apps, which is on the bottom corner here. Once you do so, scroll down again till you find the messages option, which is right between Messenger and Messages. And now you'll see the iMessage option right here. So guys, make sure your iMessage option is turned on. So if it's turned off like this, then just turn it on, and that can enable iMessage in your iPhone. So guys, that's how you link iMessage in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.